The River Avon is already a haven for wildlife. But now, more than ever, nature needs our help. We have declared an ecological emergency, and we need to act now. From creating sanctuaries for fish and places for birds to thrive, to enhancing woodlands and restoring riverside habitats, this project will improve biodiversity to help nature recover.